Guys, have you ever noticed how when you mixing something new suddenly appears like, where does it even come from?
Yeah, especially with science experiment. You mix two simple things and boom, bubbles, gas, and chaos. It also feels like matter being created out of nothing.
But wait, isn't there a law in science that says matter can't just disappear and magically appear?
That's why today, we're doing this experiment to see the law is true.
We're only using four things: balloons, baking soda, vinegar, and bottle.
But once we mix them, something surprising is going to happen. And by the end of this video, we will answer one big question.
Where did the mass go?
Let's find out using science.
First, we pour vinegar into the plastic bottle. And next, we're gonna put the baking soda inside the balloon. Then, we carefully attach the balloon to the mouth of the bottle without letting the baking soda fall yet. After that, we lift the balloon so the baking soda drops into the vinegar. As you can see, when the baking soda mixes with the vinegar, the balloon inflates. This happens because the gas is produced during the reaction. This experiment shows a chemical reaction called an acid-base reaction, which produces carbon dioxide gas. The law of conservation of mass states that matter is not created or destroyed, only changed. Even though gas is formed, the total mass stays the same, because the gas is trapped inside the balloon. This shows that all the reactants were converted into products, but nothing disappeared. The chemical equation of this experiment is sodium bicarbonate plus acetic acid yields carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium acetate. In conclusion, this simple experiment shows how a chemical reaction happens and proves the law of conservation of mass.
So, it looked like something new was created, but really, nothing came out of nowhere.
The vinegar and baking soda didn't lose the mass, they just changed into new substance, including the gas that filled the balloon.
This proves the conservation of mass, wherein matter is not created, neither destroyed, just transformed.
When it started, as a simple experiment, turned into proof of a real scientific law.
And it shows the science is only in the laboratories. It's happening everywhere.
Thank you for watching! Guys, how you doing?